Hello there! In this tutorial series, we will help you understand how to use ChatGPT for various tasks of your needs. Today, we are going to learn how to use prompt structure in ChatGPT on Practice to generate a table with a content plan on a random theme. Now, what a prompt structure is. A prompt structure is a specific instructions and context for AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DAL. The correct prompt guides understanding of the request and generates relevant outputs for the user. It includes options for formatting and examples. Correct prompt use is crucial for accurate results. Now let's see how it works on Practice. Here we have a prompt with the request to generate a random facts about what the key to happiness is. We want to ask ChatGPT to finish the sentence with the generated facts. Let's have a look what our prompt does look like. Here we have instructions, the part where we make a general request for the information we need. After that, we want to specify the request by giving detailed formatting instructions, such as length of the generated text, for example, or structure of the sentence. If you want to give an example or separate the sentence or even words, just put them in the quotation mark. Last but not least, we ask AI to create a table with this data, writing how many columns it must have and even what column titles should be. Just keep your eye how it develops and you will understand. Based on our prompt request, the ChatGPT is generating a table with related facts that we asked for. Now let's ask it to add top-related hashtags to the table so we can tag our content with them. Now let's make one more additional request for modification of the generated table. We want to ask ChatGPT to transform this table to a content plan with approximate posting date and time. You can mention the platform where you want it to be posted, so it will automatically include the best posting frequency for your content. Also, if we need to remove some words from the generated text, we can ask AI to remove it by putting that word in quotation marks. Keep that in mind. Later on, you can share this content plan with your coworkers and plan another successful social media marketing strategy. Keep in mind that it is always a good idea to say thank you to your AI tool. Just joking. For us, it is just another combination of symbols.